We're given cosine theta equals -7/9. And I know that all students take calculus. All of our trig functions are positive in this first quadrant. Sine is positive in the second. Tangent is positive in the third. And cosine is in the fourth. That's one little thing. And then I also know SOHCAHTOA. And you may already know this stuff. SOHCAHTOA, this is sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. So -7/9, let me change colors. That means -7, because cosine's negative over here. That would be -7. This is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent's -7/9. So, and we're trying to figure out what is sine of theta. And sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So I need to figure out that distance right there. And I'm going to use a Pythagorean theorem. So I'll just call that y. So that's going to be -7 squared plus y squared equals 81 hypotenuse squared. That's 49 plus y squared equal 81. That's y squared equals 32. That's y equals the square root of 32, which is 16 times 2. Square root of 16 is 4 times the square root of 2. So this distance is 4 square root of 2. So sine of theta, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And here's theta. Opposite is 4 square root 2 over hypotenuse, which is 9. And they also told us that theta was in between pi over 2 and pi. And this is pi over 2 and this is pi, so we knew it had to be in that quadrant.